हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे टेक्निक्स ऑफ फायरवॉल्स। उसके पहले वीडियो में हम लोग ने क्या देखा था? इंट्रोडक्शन टू फायरवॉल्स, वो वर्क कैसे करता है एंड उसके आर्किटेक्चर। एंड लास्ट वीडियो में देखा था टाइप्स ऑफ फायरवॉल्स। उसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी है, उधर से रेफ़र कर लेना। अभी देखते हैं टेक्निक्स ऑफ फायरवॉल्स आइडेंटिफिकेशन। देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ टेक्निक्स ऑफ फायरवॉल्स। फर्स्ट वन इज़ पोर्ट स्कैनिंग, सेकेंड फायर वॉकिंग एंड थर्ड इज़ बैनर ग्रैबिंग। अभी देखते हैं फर्स्ट वन इज़ पोर्ट स्कैनिंग। Systematically scanning the ports, computer is known as port scanning. Attackers use such method to identify the possible vulnerabilities in order to compromise a network. It is one of the most popular method that attacker use for investigating the ports used by the victim. Up tools that can be used for port scanning is Nmap. What is Nmap? Nmap is Network Mapper. Is a free open source tool for vulnerability scanning and network discovery. Network administrator use Nmap to identify what devices are running on their system, discovering hosts that are available, and the service they offer, finding open port and detecting security risk. So ये है Nmap. A port scan helps the attacker find which ports are available, that is, what service might be listening to a port. It is consist of sending a message to each port one at a time. The kinds of response received indicate whether the one port is used and can therefore be probed further for weakness. Some firewalls will uniquely identify themselves using simple port scan. For example, checkpoints firewall 1 listen on TCP port 256, 257, 258 and 259. So ये है TCP port. And Microsoft proxy server usually listen on TCP port 1080 and 1745. तो ये है पोर्ट स्कैनिंग। अभी देखते हैं फायर वॉकिंग। फायर वॉकिंग इज़ अ मेथड used to collect information about remote networks that are behind firewalls. It probes acknowledge on packet filtering routers or firewalls. It is same as that trace routing and work by sending TCP or UDP packet into the firewalls that have a TTL set at one hop greater than the targeted firewall. If the packet make it through the gateway, it is forwarded to the next hop where the TTL equals 0 and TTL exceeded in transit message, at which point the packet is discarded. Using this method, access information on the firewalls can be determined if successive probe packets are sent. What is TTL? TTL is time to live. Use UDP or ICMP echo packet increase the time to live field. In the IP header, each successive round for UDP scan destination port will be increment with each probe sends. The Firewalk is the most well-known software used for firewalking. It has two phases, a network discovery phase and scanning phase. It requires 3 hosts. First one is firewalking host. The firewalking host is the system outside the target network from which the data packets are sent to destination host in order to gain more information about the target network. Next, gateway host. The gateway host is the system on the target network that is connected to the internet, through which the data passes on its way to the target network. The last is destination host. The destination host is the target system on the target network that the data packet are addressed. So ये है firewalking. The last technique is banner grabbing. Banners are messages sent out by network service during the connection to a service. Banners announce which service is running on the system. Banners grabbing is technique generally used by attacker for OS detection. The attacker use banner grabbing to discover service run by firewalls. The three main services that send out banners are FTP, Telnet and web servers. FTP means file transfer protocol. Port of service such as FTP, Telnet and web server should not be kept open as they are vulnerable to banner grabbing. A firewall does not block banner grabbing because the connection between the attacker system and the target system looks legitimate. Example of SMMT banner grabbing is telnet mail.targetcompany.org25. The syntax is service name, service running and पोर्ट नंबर. ये क्या है? सिंटैक्स है. SMTP क्या है? सिंपल मेल ट्रांसफ़र प्रोटोकॉल is an internet standard communication protocol for electronic mail transmission. Mail server and other message transfer agent use SMTP to send and receive mail message. Banner grabbing is a mechanism that is tried and true for specifying banners and application information. For example, when user open a telnet connection to a known port on the target server and press enter a few times, if required, the following result is display: C telnet and www whatever and http bad request and server, it is Netscape. So, and this system works with many other common applications that responds on set port. The information generated through banner grabbing can enhance the attacker's effort to further compromise the system. With information about the version and the vendor of the web server, the attacker can further concentrate on employee platform service exploit techniques. तो ये है banner grabbing. So these are 3 techniques. Thank you for watching.